When you need a highly maneuverable, low-cost walkie pallet truck, here's your best choice. The new Raymond 102XM 4,500-pound capacity walkie pallet truck. It's ideal for crowded loading docks, congested aisles, and especially those tight spaces inside trailers. With its innovative, compact design, the 102XM can efficiently stack pallets at right angles inside a 96-inch wide trailer. And with reduced head length, a new handle configuration, and new fork profile, the 102XM easily performs the 180-degree turns needed for quickly loading and unloading trucks. The innovative handle geometry allows the operator to move the handle to a nearly vertical position to conserve space while maintaining control. The 102XM delivers smoother, more productive operation. Its unique control system enables the 102XM to climb over floor obstructions and tailgates without lurching or stalling. And the electric brake provides built-in anti-roll protection. This new ergonomic handle provides smooth, comfortable control as the operator walks. Whether traveling tractor first or forks first, the truck's direction and speed are controlled with convenient thumb wheels. This allows one-handed operation for forward, reverse, lift, lower, and horn. Easy-to-read displays on the handle include the battery discharge indicator, hour meter, and error code display. Our unique handle also includes a keypad that lets you program the truck's performance to accommodate up to 10 different operator skill levels. The truck can be programmed for slow speeds and acceleration for newer employees, or can be programmed for high performance for experienced operators. Performance can also be tailored to match specific applications in the warehouse or on the display floor. The new 102XM is built to last, with quality construction and a resilient high-impact cover. A rugged wraparound bumper protects the drive unit and drive tire, so you'll get years of reliability in the most demanding applications. And maintenance is easy. You can access all of the main service points on the 102XM by simply removing the cover. No hoisting or jacking is needed. This reduces service time and increases uptime. So get all of these advantages: increased maneuverability, increased productivity, ergonomic control, programmable performance levels, rugged construction, reliable operation, and easy maintenance with the new Raymond 102XM walkie pallet truck. Your local Raymond dealer can also provide other productive solutions for your pallet handling needs. With Raymond's comprehensive fixed-price maintenance program, your maintenance costs will be both controlled and predictable. A CFPM program will keep your equipment in top condition with a fixed monthly payment. And Raymond's flexible lease programs enable you to structure your financing to meet your company's needs. For short-term equipment needs, choose from a wide selection of Raymond equipment available for rent by the day, the week, or the month. For more information about the extremely maneuverable 102XM pallet truck, or to schedule a demo, just contact your local Raymond dealer.